Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also I'm going to analyze gold analysis for your next week gold trading gold forecast. So last week my Telegram group gold trading made massive profit. So you can join with the Telegram link is below. You can join with and get the more profit from the gold trading. So always touch with the gold trading accurate goal analysis signals is in there. This is the trend line. I am in a forward chart. That's trend line breakout to last week and below side goal. Huge drop to the below side. That is reason for dollar huge demand. So $80 dropped gold price to the below side last week. The reason is dollar demand with the FOMC meeting minutes above 800 pips gold drop to the below side. So dollar demand reason is the FOMC meeting minutes was there last Wednesday. That's the more hawkish comments with the FOMC members and the FOMC meeting minutes. You can see the Forex factory comments US dollar hovers near highest in a week after hawkish Fed minutes. After Fed hawkish Fed minutes, so dollar demand with the more hawkish with the American central bank's Federal Reserve. So I would like to go into the Fed Watch Tool website. That's interesting there. That's the after FOMC meeting minutes. This is the September interest rate price forecast on the Fed Watch Tool website. You can see the interest rate cut forecast dropped to the 45%. It is in 50% now, dropped to the 45%, and the interest rate post forecast is increased to 49%. And the interesting things is the another 25 bps hike also priced in 0.4% market. That is the reason for dollar demand. If interest rate hike forecast another 25 bps price into the market, that will help to dollar huge demand. And also interest rate pause maintain in the 5.5% is also reason for dollar demand. This is the reasons for dollar demand with the Fed hawkish comments and members hawkish, and the interest rate is will keeping that the market forecast that the market expect. So I am going to the technical analysis. What is your next week gold trading? So I am seeing two technically patterns in this picture. I am in a 4 hour chart. I am seeing that this is the I am my scene first pattern is the head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder. I am seeing this is the left shoulder left side. I am seeing this is the pattern. This is the left shoulder and the head, and I am seeing price will create right shoulder in the next week. This is my first pattern technical. I am seeing this is the level 2365.70 level is the retest area. I am hoping this is the first analyze. This is the support and it can be resistance in here. Support become resistance to technically confirmation in this area. So 2365.70 area can be price retest next week. So I am hoping this is the my technically first forecast, and I hope to price drop to 2300 level. That is the my target. Before target, I hope in price can be retest to the some upside to collect the liquidity. Let's see the what is the economic data next week. So important economic event in next week. That's the Forex factory next week. 30th May is the GDP quarterly report USA. That's the GDP quarterly report is in there next week. You can see the GDP report 1.6% is the previous 1.3% dropped expected American Central Bank. If GDP drop to the 1.3%, that will help to the dollar sell off and gold push to the upside. So you should touch with the economic data is the GDP quarterly report next week. So my next technically pattern I am seeing this is the pattern I am seeing this picture I am seeing Kosimoto pattern. You have see this is the higher high and this is the lower low. I am seeing the QM Kosimoto sell level is in there. This is the higher high price create, and also last week was price created lower low also. This is the lower low, and this is the 4 hour chart. Remember what is the time frame I am in. This is the level QM sell level. Kosimoto sell level is in there, so price can be retest to this level. QM Kosimoto is the famous technical pattern. You know this pattern. There's a retest this area and drop to the below side. So I am hoping price retest this area as a Kosimoto sell level pattern is in there. So this is my next technically pattern. I am seeing this type of two patterns. So price can be retest area. So that is my technical analysis next week. So I am seeing price drop to my target 2300 level. So Fed with the hawkish and interest rate post forecast is the delay. This is the Fibonacci I am using. 0.618 level is there. This is the 0.618 level. Price can be retest this movement. So this up downside movement. So this is the 0.618 level. It can be retest, and the 0.5 level is in there. This is the 0.5 level. So I am hoping this is the two levels price can be retest to next week. So also that is the two levels next week to collect the liquidity. So this is the first level and dropped again. Target is dropped, but wait for the retest. This is the next retest area, can be retest and again dropped. So this is the target area. Before target area, you should remember price can be retest. So this is my technically analysis next week. So as you, if you need the get the accurate gold trade, my telegram link is below. You can join with. Always touch with the gold, always touch with the US dollar, with the gold trading. So many years I have experience, you can join with. So money management is the key for gold trading. Risk management is the key for gold trading. Always use risk management, money management for your trading. So let's see what will happen. So keep in touch. Thank you very